The very first thing that the dog says to me is, I'm going to call myself wife one. And I giggled at that, Kelly, because
That's really sweet.
I'd never heard of a dog referring to herself as a wife. But it kind of makes a lot of sense, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Wife one says, that's when I knew you loved me. When I saw you pick everything up and put things back where they belong and not just out of the way, and you took responsibility, was when I knew that you loved me, that you respected me as a being, that you understood that without a voice to say, honey, why do you leave all your stuff on the floor? Could you pick up? Like, she didn't have a voice as a human would, a human wife would, to say, hey, why aren't you being responsible? I'm upset with this. It's pissing me off. Pick up after yourself. Without the voice, which she clearly does not have as a dog, she really had to wait for him to understand what responsibility was. And he goes, yes. And she says to me, I felt loved, I felt respected. And yeah, and that's true. And I realized at that point that we were becoming partners.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.